Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Friday. Today is Friday, October 18th of 2019, and here are our morning announcements for today. If we do have girls that are members of Girl Scouts and you have a meeting today, it will be held in the gym. So just to let the teachers know that if you have girls and Girl Scouts, the meeting will be in the gym today. Did have a really good suggestion yesterday from Jaden Gones, who's in 4th grade. He came up with a suggestion for the lunch line to try to not to have the lunch line, especially the number 1 lunch line, be as long. So starting today, we're going to try it out with his suggestion. So how this is going to work, if you get a lunch choice number 1, you're going to go to the front of the serving cart in the gym and cafeteria. That is where numbers 2 and 3 used to go, but now those will be the line for the 1. And then the 2s and the 3s, you'll go to the back of the lunch cart. So we'll just switch it up. So 1s will go to the front, 2s and 3s will go towards the back. So thanks, Jaden. I'm interested to see what this will look like. So he's actually going to help direct traffic down there at 10:25 and seeing how it works for our kindergarten and 1st grade students today. Our lunch choices for today are pepperoni pizza, turkey spinach panini, or chef salad. And today our pause expectations are brought to you by our kindergarten students in Mrs. Green and Mrs. Hirsch's class.
Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our pause expectations. So please listen up to some helpful things from our kindergarten students.
No bullying people. No cutting your eyes. No kissing your No interrupting the teacher.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. And before we do our moment of silence, so I have the riddle for today. It is brought to you by a student. His name is Aiden in 4th grade. And he has the riddle to share with you today of what can you bounce on but not a trampoline. So what can you bounce on but it's not a trampoline? So same rules apply. I know the answer of this, so there could be a couple different answers, but he did tell me the one answer that he thought would be the most appropriate for his riddle. So if you do see me out and about and you have a guess for it, then please let me know. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, and today we have students from kindergarten, from Mrs. Green and Mrs. Hirsch's class, to do our pledge. So make sure that you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a great Friday. Finish out a strong end of the week, and make sure that you can do everything the best that you possibly can. Remember, it's up to you to make forth the best effort, so let's make sure that we put forth our best efforts today.